Already before we are born, we are connected. Connections make us feel safe, even when it's about letting go. We connect in our most remarkable moments and our everyday lives. Bonds are a sign of love, and we hold on to them until we are old. That's the essence of what we do. Connections. Helping loved ones come together, bringing power to the people, connecting energy with transition, industry with transformation, humans with automation, challenge with solution. Connecting globally. Sharing success stories with our customers and partners, and with those working next to us. That's what we celebrate since the day we were born.
Geboren aus der Innovation. Geschaffen von Vago.
75 years of Vago. Celebrating connections.